First, use a center punch to mark the center. 2. Drill through the center of approximately half the diameter of the bolt, as you would for an Easy-Out. 3. Switch your drill to a slow speed, on left hand. Use the tapered reamer to profile the hole to the correct shape. 4. Ream until the mouth of the hole is nearly touching the threads of the stubborn bolt or stud. 5. Then trim the mandrel to the correct length, depending on the size of the bolt being extracted. Make sure it is not bottoming out and that it fits correctly. 6. Fit the tapered mandrel into the drill chuck and set the drill to high speed and the rotation required. 7. Fit into the hole, apply substantial pressure and spin. 8. The mandrel will weld to the inside of the bolt and wind out within seconds.